When your business starts to grow, you want to switch to a new, more advanced help desk solution. But manual data migration is a time-consuming and daunting process. With our app, you can experience automated Microsoft Dynamics 365 migration. Our cloud-based tool lets you initiate your data migration anywhere and anytime. An intuitive UI makes you feel like a pro data migration expert. With a wide range of supported help desk systems, you can always migrate to the desirable solution. Move your help desk and knowledge base objects so you will move all essential data. You can maintain relationships between your records with robust field mapping. This way, you find your data more easily after your Microsoft Dynamics 365 migration. With a free demo migration, you can try out our app and get a sneak peek at the data migration. Moreover, you get help from professional data migration experts. Plus, you can set up a free demo migration as many times as you wish. Ready to migrate? Click Get It Now and try a free demo.